And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a logo in Adobe Illustrator using the rectangle tool only. Make sure to view that your smart guides and snap to point is activated. We'll activate the rectangle tool. I want to have a width of 50 pixels. This is our basic unit. I'll drag a copy out of it with the selection tool holding Alt. And now I'll resize it slightly. I press A for the direct selection tool, select the right anchor points and create this curvature. Keep in mind, when you have a curvature, you can't really resize your rectangle anymore, as it is bound to the curvature that you've created. So you can see that here, doesn't matter if you hold Shift, Alt, whatever, the curvature is what it is, and thus it limits the way that we can resize our rectangle. So best practice is to create a rectangle first with the size that we need, and then press A for the direct selection tool and drag in these curvature tools. And now we will add our basic units to it, so that we have the correct distance of 50 pixels. We use the Align menu over here. I'll rotate it holding Shift, and now I'll place it on top and at the bottom. And this way I can find the correct size top to bottom for the rectangle on the left. Let me make the basic unit red so that you can see it better. And I want to make the inner one white, and now I resize the black one until I've got this rectangle. Press A for the direct selection tool, select the right anchor points and then drag the curvature tool inwards. We've got our letter D. And we want to create two more as outlines for the existing one. So I use the basic units, left, top and bottom. I'll resize this one on the left. Make that black. I'll delete the red ones, we don't need them anymore. There's my smart guide indicating that I've got a rectangle and this is the perfect size. Now I'll have to drag in the curvature. Let me make this a different color. Or maybe I'll make that yellow, so that we don't get confused here. And once again, the basic unit, we need it. I'll hold Alt when I drag copies out of it, hold Shift when I rotate it, place it left, top and bottom. So it's the same process. Alright, now we've got everything we need to go to the next step. Let me change the fill color, and now we'll use the basic unit to connect the two Ds, the two black ones that we've got. First one, I'll put it right here. So the smart guides are really helpful when we do that. And I'll place another one right there. You can't see the red as it's behind our D on the artboard, but when I select it or when I press Ctrl Y for the outline mode, you can see where it's positioned. So this is the first thing we want to do now. I'll select it all and then I use the shape builder tool. If you hold Alt, you can get rid of shapes with the left click or a left draw. And if you release the Alt key, let me make the fill color black. If you release the Alt key, you can connect shapes. I want to get rid of the white one and the white one in the center. We don't need it. Let me connect these as well. So we've got one shape now. I want to add another basic shape. And I'll put it right here. And again, I'll use the shape pillar tool. Make the fill color black. I'll connect the outer ones. Get rid of this white, red area. And I get rid of that. And that's it. This is how you can create a logo in Illustrator using only the rectangle tool. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.